Hello children, in previous class we have studied about food from plants, that is root as a food, stem as a food, leaves as a food, flower as a food, fruits and vegetable as a food, seeds as a food. Let's continue with the lesson. Next is food from animals. Like plants, animals are also source of food for us. They also provide us varieties of food. Tell me any four food items that we get from animals. Very good. Meat, egg, fish, milk and varieties of dairy products. Very good. First one is milk as a food. Animal like cow, buffalo, goat and camel provide us milk. They are also called as milk yielding animals. It helps us in our growth and in building muscles. Okay, so the variety of food products that we obtain from milk are called dairy products. These includes paneer, cheese, ghee, butter, cream and curd. First one is paneer. Paneer is also called as cottage cheese. It is commonly prepared by adding of little amount of lemon juice or vinegar to hot milk. This process is called as curdling. This results in separation of milk into solid and liquid part. The solid part, the cottage cheese, is collected and the liquid part is drained out or removed. Next one is cheese. Cheese is also obtained from curdled milk. It is very good for bones and skin. When milk is allowed to settle down for few hours or boiled and allowed to cool, a thick fatty layers forms on the top of the milk. This thick fatty layer is called as cream. The fresh cream is collected from the milk is churned to make butter. Okay, ghee is prepared by gently heating the butter and removing the solid matter. Curd is usually obtained by adding small amount of curd in lukewarm or hot milk. This helps to set milk to curd within few hours. Next is meat as a food. The meat from the animals like sheep, goat and chicken can be used as a source of food in our diet. These animals are also called as meat yielding animals. Hen, duck, turkey and emu also provide us eggs. These are domesticated in the poultry farms for the collection of their eggs and meat. Next is fish as a food. People in most part of India, mostly in coastal region, use fish and other aquatic animals as their additional food. Fish provide them all the nutrients to help them grow and build strong muscles. There are varieties of fish species. Fishes are also found in fresh water like river, pond and lake. Crabs, shrimps and prawn are other examples of seafood that we eat. Next one is honey as a food. Honey is another animal product that we use. It is sweet in taste and it is liquid, made by the honeybees. They suck the nectar from the flowers. Nectar means juice. Take it into their nest called beehive. Then they convert nectar into honey and store it as a food. Honey has many medicinal values. It can be used raw or can be used to sweeten certain food items. Next one is helpful microorganism. Do you know microorganisms? Apart from all these animals, there are some microorganisms. They are also helpful to us. Microorganisms are tiny, means small living organisms that are too small to be visible by naked eye. Although they are not used as a food, they help us get variety of food items. Yeast is used to produce bakery products like bread. Lactobacillus is a type of a bacteria that helps in the converting of milk to curd. We also have some bacteria in our gut or intestine which help us in the digestion of food. Lactobacillus present in our gut helps us in digestion the food easily and forming vitamin K in our body. Next is, what do animals eat? Like human being, animals also need food. Food gives them energy to move and grow. Animals cannot make their own food like plants. They depend on plants and other animals for their food. Thus, they are also known as consumers. Different animals eat different kinds of food. Some animals eat only grass, herb, or shrub or branches of trees, while some animals feed on small animals like rabbit. So, some catches live prey while few feed on dead and decay organism. First one is herbivores. Herbivores is made from two words. Herbi means plant and vor means eater. Hence, the animal which feed on plants or plant products called as herbivores. Herbivores range or start from tiny insects, small insects, to large animals like elephant. Tell me few examples of herbivorous animals. Very good. Elephant, cow, goat, buffalo, sheep, horse, deer, rabbit. Very good. Herbivores like cow, buffalo, and horse have flat and wide and blunt molar teeth, front side teeth, that helps them to pull out plants from the ground and grind them. They can also swallow food and bring it back to their mouth to chew it again. They bring their food once again in their mouth from their intestine to chew it once again. This is done to absorb most nutrients from the food. Squirrel and rabbit have a pair of broad and sharp front teeth to cut food like nuts and seeds. Next is carnivorous animals. Tell me example of carnivorous or animal that eat flesh of other animal. Very good. Dog, tiger, lion, cheetah. Carnivore made from two words. Carni means meat or flesh part and vor means eater. The animals which eat meat or flesh part of other animal are called carnivores. Okay. So examples are tiger, lion, cheetah, wolf, hyena, cat, dog, eagle, owl, crocodile and whale. The animal like lion and tiger, leopard and jackal have powerful jaw with sharp and pointed teeth to hold the prey. They also have sharp claws to easily cut the flesh part of other animal. Few carnivores like frog and chameleon have long sticky tongue. Frog and chameleon have long and sticky tongue to catch insects from the distance. Whale have many small and sharp teeth that helps whale to tear off the flesh into small pieces.